problems.
Looking for solutions?
How to create high-quality and accurate technical content for manuals at speed and scale for global audience.
White Globe Solutions. Target audience. Understand who will be using the manuals and their level of technical knowledge. This will help you tailor the content to their needs and avoid unnecessary jargon or complexity. Style Guide. A comprehensive style guide that includes guidelines for writing, formatting, terminology and visuals. Plan content structure. Outline the structure of manuals to ensure logical flow and easy navigation. Headings, subheadings, bullet points and numbered lists. Clear and concise language. Active voice and simple sentence structures to enhance readability. Visual and diagrams. Visual aids such as diagrams, illustrations, screenshots, and videos can greatly enhance understanding. Subject matter experts. SMEs who possess deep technical knowledge.
How to deliver training content for your multilingual employees in your global workforce. How to ensure your app works in multiple cultural contexts.
White Globe Solutions. Localization. Adapt your app's content, user interface, and functionality to suit different languages, regions, and cultural norms. Translate all text, including menus, labels, and error messages, into the languages of your target audience. Ensure that the translated content is accurate, culturally appropriate, and contextually relevant. Internationalization. Design your app with internationalization in mind from the start. This involves creating a flexible and modular architecture that can handle various languages and cultural requirements without significant code changes. Use Unicode and avoid hard-coding text or other locale-specific information. Cultural research. Deep understanding of the target cultures and their preferences. User testing. Thorough user testing with representatives from different cultural backgrounds. Visual design. Mindful of color choices, symbols, and visual elements that may carry different meanings or cultural significance in various parts of the world. Error handling. Error messages and notifications that are clear, concise, and easily understandable across different languages and cultural backgrounds. Cultural sensitivity. Respect cultural diversity and avoid stereotypes or offensive content in your app.
How to create more room for creative storytelling for global audience.
White Globe Solutions. Embracing cultural diversity. Incorporating elements from various cultures into storytelling to make it relatable and appealing to a broader audience. Universal themes. Focus on universal themes and emotions that resonate with people regardless of their cultural background. Visual storytelling techniques. Visual storytelling techniques, such as captivating cinematography, stunning visuals, and compelling production design, can transcend language barriers and engage viewer on an emotional level. Incorporate diverse characters. Create diverse and multidimensional characters that reflect different backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives. Subtitles or dubbing. Provide subtitles or dubbing options to make it accessible to a wider audience.
How do I create an engaging multilingual SEO content for a global audience?
White Globe Solutions. Multilingual SEO. Engaging multilingual SEO content for a global audience with a combination of effective SEO strategies and a deep understanding of target audience. Keyword research. Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to find relevant keywords with high search volumes and relatively low competition. Localization. Ensuring that cultural nuances, idioms, and colloquialisms resonates with the target audience in each language. Structured content. Easy to read and understand. Visual appeal. Images, infographics and videos to enhance the visual appeal of the content. User experience. Mobile friendly, loads quickly, and is easy to navigate. Encourage social sharing, making it easy for readers to share content across various social media platforms. Monitor and analyze, using tools like Google Analytics to track metrics such as page views, time spent on page, bounce rate and conversions, identify trends and make improvements to your content strategy.
How do I ensure speed, efficiency, accuracy, and confidentiality while translating my highly patent content?
White Globe Solutions. Specialized experts. Work with specialized companies offering patent translations with expertise and a deep understanding of patent terminology and legal requirements. NDA, non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, during the translation process.
How do I ensure speed, efficiency, accuracy, and confidentiality while translating my highly technical content?
White Globe Solutions. Specialized expertise. Requires specialized expertise to ensure accuracy, clarity, and confidentiality. Subject matter experts. Technical translations require subject matter expertise, a deep understanding of the technical field related to your content. Technical and industry knowledge. Strong command of both the source and target languages, as well as specialized knowledge of technical terminology and industry-specific jargon.
How to translate and adapt fictional and non-fictional books with speed and accuracy.
White Globe Solutions. Maintaining the author's voice. To preserve the author's unique style and voice throughout the translation. Editing and proofreading. To review the translation for accuracy, consistency, and overall quality. Creation of a consistent glossary and style guide. A glossary of key terms and recurring phrases in the book. Style guide to establish guidelines for punctuation, formatting, and stylistic choices.
How do I expand my message across global markets consistently?
White Globe Solutions. Localize your content. Adapt your content, including website, marketing materials, and social media, to suit the local language, cultural nuances and preferences of each target market. Translate and transcreate. Creating your content, adjusting visuals and tailoring your messaging. Digital marketing. Utilize digital marketing channels to generate awareness and engage global audiences. SEO, SMM. Strong online presence through search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing. Content marketing and email marketing.
How to ensure high-quality gaming app localization for a multilingual audience.
White Globe Solutions. Localization. Translate all in-game texts, menus, instructions and dialogues into multiple languages. Adapt the localized content to fit cultural nuances and preferences of each language. Cultural sensitivity. Mindful of cultural differences when designing characters, visuals, and storylines. Avoiding stereotypes or offensive content that may alienate certain language groups. Language support. Implementing language settings within the app allows users to easily switch between languages. Quality assurance. Thoroughly test the localized versions of the game to identify any translation errors, linguistic inconsistencies, or layout problems. Creating a checklist of items to review for each language to ensure consistent quality across all translations. Ongoing support. Maintaining an agency to handle localization updates, bug fixes, and content expansions for different language versions. Compatibility and performance. Ensure gaming app is compatible with various devices and operating systems commonly used by the multilingual audience. Optimizing the app's performance to deliver a smooth gaming experience for all players, regardless of their language or device specifications. Community management. Providing support in multiple languages. Collaboration with agency offering native speakers during the development process. This can help avoid potential linguistic and cultural pitfalls and ensure the game resonates well with each language group.
How to get professional quality interpretation for meetings and conferences.
White Globe Solutions. Skilled expertise. Professional quality interpretation requires skilled interpreters, effective planning, and clear communication. Experience and expertise. Interpreters who have extensive experience and expertise in the specific field. Industry relevant to your meeting or conference. Fluency. Interpreters who are fluent in the required languages and possess excellent interpretation skills.
How to integrate your multilingual workforce in your global workforce.
White Globe Solutions. Language support. Ensuring language barriers are addressed by providing language support by translating content, language training programs, localizing e-learning content. Cross-cultural training. Cross-cultural training sessions to enhance understanding and sensitivity towards different cultures. Language training. Error messages and notifications that are clear, concise, and easily understandable across different languages and cultural backgrounds. Localized communication channel to accommodate multiple languages.
How to translate legal content with speed, accuracy, and confidentiality.
White Globe Solutions. Qualified legal translators. Providing qualified legal translators with expertise in legal terminology and concepts. Comprehensive reference materials. Necessary source documents are provided, including any reference materials, glossaries, or style guides. Translation memory. TM is provided to enhance consistency, speed, and accuracy. Review and proofreading. Review and proofreading are conducted by legal professionals.
How to recruit best fit language experts.
White Globe Solutions. Defined requirements. Defining the specific skills, qualifications, and experience in a language expert. Languages they need to be proficient in, the level of fluency required, and any additional skills or knowledge that may be necessary for the role. Thorough screenings and assessments. Assess candidates' language proficiency and cultural understanding, including written and spoken tests, translation samples, and interviews conducted by native speakers or experienced language experts.
How to deliver training content for your multilingual employees in your global workforce.
White Globe Solutions. Assess language requirements to determine the languages spoken by your employees and identify the languages in which you need to deliver the training content. Translation and localization. To accurately translate and localize the content, ensuring that the meaning and context are preserved in the translated versions. Learning Management System, LMS. An LMS that supports multi-language capabilities. Language-specific modules. Training modules or courses specific to each language. To consider cultural nuances and adapt the content accordingly to resonate better with employees from different linguistic backgrounds. Live translation, interpretation, subtitles, CC, interpretation in multiple languages for live training sessions or webinars.
How to ensure high-quality transcription, dubbing, and subtitling at speed.
White Globe Solutions. Establish clear guidelines. Provide detailed guidelines and style guides. Communicate your expectations regarding formatting, punctuation, tone, and any specific requirements related to the content or target audience. Translation, proofreading, and editing. Thorough proofreading and editing to catch any errors or inconsistencies in the transcriptions, dubbing, or subtitles. Quality control. Robust quality control process that involves multiple levels of review. Streamlined workflows. Efficient project management tools, automation, and machine learning technologies. Planning deadlines effectively. Plan project deadlines, ensuring there is ample time to deliver high-quality work.
How to create and adapt culturally engaging video animation for global audience.
White Globe Solutions. Target audience. Understanding the cultural preferences, values, and sensibilities of the target audience. Considering factors such as language, religion, traditions, and social norms. Cultural sensitivity and inclusivity. To avoid using stereotypes, offensive language, or imagery that may alienate or offend certain cultures or communities. Storytelling with universal themes. Stories with universal themes that transcend cultural boundaries, emphasizing emotions, values, and experiences that are relatable to people from various backgrounds. Localization and translation. Adapting the content for different languages and regions, including translating dialogue, captions, and text into multiple languages to cater to a global audience. Visual and design elements. Attention to visual elements such as color schemes, symbols, and icons that may carry different meanings in various cultures. Choosing designs that are visually appealing and resonate with the aesthetics of the target audience while avoiding cultural appropriation or insensitivity.
How to engage my global audience with video content.
White Globe Solutions. Know your audience. Understanding the demographics, cultural preferences, and interests of your target audience. Creating compelling content. Develop high-quality, visually appealing videos with a strong narrative or message. To ensure content is relevant, informative, entertaining, or inspiring to capture the attention of your audience. Subtitles or captions. To address audiences from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Localization. Adapting your videos to local languages, cultures, and preferences. Engage with your audience. Actively interact with your audience by responding to comments, addressing their questions, and incorporating their feedback. Stay consistent and regular. To maintain audience engagement, establish a consistent publishing schedule.
How to ensure a highly engaged global audience on your website.
White Globe Solutions. High quality, relevant content. Valuable and engaging content that caters to the interests and needs of your target audience. Optimize for mobile. With the increasing use of mobile devices, it and number 39 is crucial to ensure your website is mobile friendly. User-friendly navigation. Easy for visitors to navigate the website and find the information they are looking for. Personalize user experience. Utilize personalization techniques to tailor the content and recommendations based on the visitor's preferences, location, and past behavior. Utilize social media integration. Integrate social media sharing buttons and encourage visitors to share your content on their social profiles. Optimize for search engines. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to improve websites' visibility in search engine results. Multilingual support. Providing translations or multilingual options on the website to cater to a global audience. Measurement and analysis. User behavior analytics to track and analyze user behavior on your website.